Remember, I only do my videos once. They're unedited, and I have a script in my head. So I just say what I feel at the time, and that's the way it is. Now let me ask you a question out there. Suppose you wanted to go to the moon from right here. How would you do it? I mean, suppose you had a rocket ship and the whole 9 yards. But you see, the moon is moving even as the Earth is moving. The universe is constantly moving in a circle, or an 8, or whatever the hell it is. Anyway, by the time you left Earth, the moon would be in a different place than you imagined it to be. But your rocket has to hit that. It has to. That's what NASA says when a space shuttle comes down from the flight. They have a narrow window that they have to hit in order to break through the atmosphere and land at Houston or Florida, and not in the middle of Antarctica or Europe. It's a window. And what these circles are windows. They're flight windows. Now Tesla, I'll give you a little background here. Tesla in 1899 stumbled across an electric field. He dealt with high energy electricity. And this field that he came across is what these mysterious craft that we see in pictures called UFOs or whatever they are that go across the sky. Now, even the most quietest owl that flies through the air, matter of fact, anything that flies through the air leaves sound. And as you can, if there was an airplane up here, you would hear it. If there was a missile coming in, you'd hear it, because it is going through the atmosphere. Now, when have you ever heard of a UFO making noise? Any noise? You don't. Because the UFOs are going through an electrical field called the Aether field, which Tesla stumbled across, which has been proven lately. This whole Earth and all these other planets are in this electrical field. And that is what these visitors use to travel with. Figure flight or walking, it's all analog. These craft use a digital way of moving. They move from square 1.1 to 1.2 to 1.3, or they can move like from 1.1 to 1,000 instantaneously. There is no time in the Aether field. Now suppose that you came from some planet Antares, or just say that it was 90 billion miles away. How would you get back? Well, you'd set your long range sensor. No, you won't, because that's Star Trek. That's not this. Next video.